I'm Lily, a happy 7-year-old girl. Welcome to my morning routine where we learn 50 essential phrasal verbs together. Watch me and repeat the words. Let's start my morning routine now. I will show you simple actions and say I can to build sentences slowly so you can repeat and learn the phrasal verbs easily. I set the alarm. I set the alarm. My alarm goes off. My alarm goes off. I hit the snooze button. I hit the snooze button.
I sleep in.
I sleep in. I turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm. I wake up. I wake up. I get up. I get up. I yawn loudly. I yawn loudly. I rise and shine. I rise and shine. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I head to the bathroom. I head to the bathroom. I wash my face. I wash my face. I hop into the shower. I hop into the shower. I lather up the soap. I lather up the soap. I rinse off the soap. I rinse off the soap. I dry off my skin. I dry off my skin. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I floss my teeth. I floss my teeth. I apply the lotion. I apply the lotion. I put on lip balm. I put on lip balm. I do my hair. I do my hair. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I blow dry my hair. I blow dry my hair. I pick out my clothes. I pick out my clothes. I take off my pajamas. I take off my pajamas. I put on my shirt. I put on my shirt. I change into my dress. I change into my dress. I button up my sweater. I button up my sweater. I zip up my jacket. I
Zip up.
my jacket. I tuck in my shirt. I tuck in my shirt. I slip on my shoes. I slip on my shoes. I iron my ribbon. I iron my ribbon. I match my socks. I match my socks. I put the kettle on. I put the kettle on. I brew the tea. I brew the tea. I whip up the eggs. I whip up the eggs. I fix my breakfast. I fix my breakfast. I spread the jam. I spread the jam. I gulp down the juice. I gulp down the juice. I sip my tea. I sip my tea. I fuel up for the day. I fuel up for the day. I pack up my bag. I pack up my bag. I check the weather. I check the weather. I grab my keys. I grab my keys. I lock up the house. I lock up the house. I head out to school. I head out to school. I start my commute. I start my commute. I catch the bus. I catch the bus.
Great job! You learned 50 new morning words today. You are doing a wonderful job practicing your English.
Did you like learning with Lily? Click like and subscribe to learn more every day. Keep practicing at home. Thank you for watching. See you next time for another English adventure. Goodbye for now.